How to sign out one Gmail account from multiple accounts. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch any of your email ID services or Gmail services. I'm going to use for Play Store application and make sure that you're logged into your account. As we do that, tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and here simply select on the option of manage your Google account. As you select on manage your Google account, what you can do is you can see the different options. So let's drag the options to security and you can just drag it to the very end. So let's see if we have any other options. So here we can see we have the option of manage all devices. So let's tap on manage all devices. And as you tap on it, you'll be able to see all the devices that your Gmail account is signed in. So if you want to sign out, so just tap on the account or the device over here and you can simply tap on the option of sign out. So first of all, verify yourself, and as we verify ourselves, it will just take a few more seconds to get us into this new page. So you can just log out over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.